Visit Moonlit Sanctuary for an unforgettable experience with Australia's diverse wildlife. Explore enchanting bushland while engaging with over 70 captivating Australian species, including endangered animals. Get up close and personal with iconic kangaroos and wallabies as you hand-feed them, and have the chance to cuddle adorable koalas and take part in captivating encounters with a variety of colorful birds, mesmerizing reptiles, playful dingoes, and other fascinating creatures. The park is suitable for all ages, with activities designed to engage children and adults alike, ensuring a fun and educational outing for families. Moonlit Sanctuary Wildlife Conservation Park is not just a place to see animals. It is a conservation-focused experience that educates visitors about the importance of wildlife preservation while providing unforgettable encounters with Australia's unique fauna. Moonlit Sanctuary is an award-winning wildlife park located 50 minutes southeast of Melbourne's CBD. We are an easy day trip from Melbourne, or the perfect detour if you are visiting Phillip Island or the Mornington Peninsula. It aims to display the fauna that was found in the Mornington Peninsula and Western Port Biosphere Reserve prior to European settlement, as well as working towards the recovery of threatened Australian fauna. The park is open all year except on Christmas Day. The sanctuary, as part of Pearcedale Conservation Park, is an institutional member of the Zoo and Aquarium Association. In 2009, Moonlit Sanctuary won the Victorian Keep Australia Beautiful Award for preservation of the environment with an emphasis on local fauna and flora. In 2010, Moonlit Sanctuary won the Victorian Tourism Award for Ecotourism, 6 subsequently winning this award for a second time in 2014. 7 after winning for a 5th time in 2021, Moonlit Sanctuary was inducted into the Victorian Tourism Awards Hall of Fame. In 2018, Moonlit Sanctuary won the Victorian Tourism Award for tourism attraction as well as ecotourism. Subsequently, they won silver for ecotourism at the 2018 Australian Tourism Awards. Discover the beauty and wonder of Australia's wildlife at Moonlit Sanctuary. Plan your visit now and create unforgettable memories. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs.